Hi guys, welcome to another video. In today's video we will be unboxing the Formula Drift Nissan Silvia S15. Quite excited to get this one open, such a cool looking car. So yeah, let's crack her open. And there she is, Formula Drift S15. Really cool livery. There's the Formula Drift logo on the side. Number 68. If you can see there, like carbon weave looking bonnet, which is really cool. The red camouflage livery, really cool. Really nice casting. Bit of a hefty price tag if you're trying to get hold of one in the UK. I think this one set me back £18, I think it was. Obviously if you're lucky enough somewhere in the world to pick one up in store, what a bargain. But I couldn't really say no to getting my hands on this one. Sure it's going to be fairly sought after. This is the least sought after one because of that. There is another, I believe it's the Boulevard style livery on the card. That is the more sought after one than this one, but I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, the cars are the same, it's just the artwork on the case which is different. Could be wrong, but from what I've heard that's right. But yeah, there you have it, Formula Drift even, Formula Nissan Silvia S15. So, if you're a fan of this casting, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to get notifications. And I will see you on the next one. A little spoiler alert. It might either be this one, or it might be this one. Leave a comment, let me know which one you want to see next. See you later.